Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to convert percentage to fractions. This question is from R.D. Sharma class 8 math book and it is from exercise 12.1 question 2. The question is convert the following percentage to fractions and ratios. Our first question is 25% and we need to convert this 25% into fraction. To convert this 25% into fraction, we are going to write 25. We'll remove the percentage sign and we'll divide it by 100. So that's 25 divided by 100, and 25 times 1 is 25 and 25 times 4 is 100. So that's going to be 1 upon 4. So our final answer or final fraction is 1 upon 4. The second one is 2.5%. We are going to write 2.5. We'll remove the percentage sign and we'll divide it by 100. We can convert this decimal into fraction by removing this decimal point and adding a 0 in the denominator. So that's 25. So that's 25 divided by 100 times 10, which equals 25 divided by 1000 is 1 upon 40. So our final answer is 1 upon 40. We have converted this percentage into fraction. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is 0.25%. Here too we are going to write 0.25 divided by 100. We have removed the percentage sign and have divided it by 100. Now here it is 0.25. There are 2 digits after the decimal point. To convert it into fraction, we are going to divide it by 100. So that's 25 divided by 100 times 100. 25 divided by 100 is 1 upon 4 times 100, which equals 1 upon 400. So this is our final answer here. Next one is 0.3%. 0.3. We are going to remove the percentage sign and we'll divide it by 100. And there is 1 digit after the decimal point. So we are going to divide it by 10 to convert into normal fraction. So that's 3 upon 100 times 1 upon 10, which equals 3 upon 1000. Let's do the last one, which is 12.5%. 12.5, remove the percentage sign and divide it by 100. Now this is a decimal fraction. We can change this decimal into normal fraction. There is 1 digit after the decimal point, so we are going to divide it by 10 to make it a normal fraction. So that's 125 divided by 100 times 10. And 125 and 10 can be simplified. Both have the common factor of 25. So 25 times 5, 125, and 25 times 4 is 100 times 10. This can further be reduced because 5 and 10 have a common factor of 5. 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 2 is 10. So that's 1 upon 8. So this is our final answer. We are going to box the answer. Now we can write all these fractions into ratios. 1 upon 4 will be equal to 1:4. 1 upon 40 will be equal to 1:40. 1 upon 400 will be 1:400. 3 upon 1000 will be 3:1000. And 1 upon 8 will be 1:8. This is how we can convert percentage into fractions. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.